Intrepid has discovered the flower pot. Yeah, you can't destroy this tree. I don't think it's doing very well anyway. Gonna need to replace it. Here he goes. Over the side. Where'd he go? Where's he off to? Intrepid. Little trippy trip. Well, he's gone. I mean, zip. Oh, Mom. Mom's relaxing. Okay. The clump's getting a good workout again this morning. This is, what is this? Idaho and Ivanhoe. The Ho boys. Okay. And India's tackling the tree. Here she comes. She's got Sirocco's here too. I can hear Sequoia's bell rattling. What is she up to? Okay, we found Intrepid again. He's back over here tackling the flower pots. There he goes. Intrepid. Kalahari. Sequoia. Who's this? India. Galloping off. Oh, okay, he's found another flower pot to be in.